everyone, I'm Rich, welcome back to BB's Customs. Today, I'm going to be building up a workshop. So first thing to do, screw the base together, flip it over, and then I can start laying out where all the panels are going to go. What I've done, I've screwed down 4 extra planks just to stop it bowing as I lift it up, because I didn't really trust how the little blocks were going to hold it together. Winning! Okay, so I've got one end up. So the reason why I'm doing it this way, I've had to paint the other side of these because obviously it's against the fence. So I've had to do all the work at one end, get that secure. Now I've got to do all along this bit because that's going to be against the fence, and then I can put the rest up without having to worry about painting it because I can paint it afterwards. It's not quite going by the instructions, but it'll work. Well, that's 2 walls up. Start building the other apexes now. Okay, so now we've got this apex built up. We're going to use this as a template to make the trusses to go for the roof, because we want it to line up nicely. So we're going to lie these along the lines set out by this. That means that when we screw these on, we're going to be in the right position. getting there. This is soon to be a very common view. I do need to paint the inside. I've got 2 more panels to put on the roof. Then it's felt, paint, windows, doors, load everything in. But it is an absolute scorcher today, so a bit of lunch and some hydration, and then we'll get back to it. Right, let's try and climb this fence to put the screws in from the top. Okay, let's blue this thing up. Okay, so the whole thing's got its first coat of blue stain on. I've also been up and put the felt on the roof. So for tonight, all I need to do now is put the windows in and get the door fitted, and then this thing is watertight. So I can then do all the finishing touches tomorrow. I'll put a second coat of stain on it, and then I can start emptying the old shed into the new one, get rid of that one, and get so much crap out of my house. It's going to be amazing. Anyway, that's going to be it for today. Okay guys, it's day 2. And it is raining, but luckily I've got a shed, so I'm going to keep the camera in here. All I need to do now is fit the windows and the doors, which I can do without too much fuss. So you guys get to stay nice and dry. I'm going to be in the wet finishing this off. Oh, do you know what? It's too wet, it's horrible, so I'm going to go have a cup of tea and wait for this to blow over. I'll catch you later. Well, the rain let off enough for me to get the windows and the doors in. I managed to muscle the bench in as well, so that's where it's going to live now. I've got a nice bit of natural light coming in here so I can see what's going on. I've got all this space if I need long bars in. Right, let's get the rest of the stuff in now then. Okay guys, here we are, all kitted out in the new workshop. So behind me, we've got the bike. If I come out here, you get a proper view of it. The bike is nicely nestled in here. This side, got the workspace. Nice big clear area there. All this down here needs to disappear somewhere, so that was going to clear out some more space. But I've got all of this to work in. So there's plenty of room for me to move around, get in and do what I need to do. Good space to the bike. Extra stuff at the back, still got room for more family storage stuff. And most importantly, my beer bottle opener is there. So I'm all set to start working in here now. Yeah, it's going to be good. I can't wait to get some lights fitted in here. There will be lights and electric in here as well, which will make things a bit easier for filming in, because obviously the light's a bit dim in here at the moment. But even if I just get some little standalone floodlights for now, then that'll do the trick. Yeah, I'm excited. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's probably been a long and unnecessarily boring video, but it lets you know where I am now, and moving forwards I'm all set to work through the winter, which is good. Cheers.